guys, I'm Nika and I am a home baker. First step in making our s'mores cupcakes is to combine together our melted butter and crushed graham crackers. We will mix this together until its texture feels like wet sand. Next, we'll fill our 3 ounces paper cups with 1 tablespoon of our graham mixture. I use this measuring cup, but you can use anything with a flat bottom surface to firmly press on the graham. This will then be your base for our cupcakes. Next, for a chocolate cupcake, we will combine our dry ingredients: flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking soda, and salt. Next, we will then add in our wet ingredients: oil, buttermilk, egg, vanilla, and hot water. Once everything is combined, we will then pour this into our cups with just enough space for our cupcakes to rise. We will be baking this at 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out with a few moist crumbs. For our frosting, we will be piping Italian meringue on top. No need to make your swirl perfect since we will be toasting this later. If you want to know how I made this icing, I will link down below my Italian meringue recipe video. You can go check that out after watching this. For that ultimate s'mores experience, we will be toasting our meringue frosting. You can do this on your oven's broiler or with the use of a blowtorch like this one. Then we'll just top our cupcakes with some more chocolate and we're done. So what are you waiting for, guys? Give this recipe a try and let me know how it went in the comment section, or you can also tag me on my socials. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. See you again next week for another video. Happy baking!